Hey Dave, my name is Paul. I'm with Eastwind SEO, and I'm going to make you a short video showing you some tips on how to improve your online presence. I'm going to go over three important things that are going to help do this. That's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. You spoke with Nathan earlier from Schenectady SEO about this video, and I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up right here. Overall, is a nice looking website. Really nice picture in the background there. As you move down, you got more pictures. It flows smoothly. It's a good looking website. I would definitely recommend putting your phone number and email at the top. Making your phone a call to action button to go straight to your phone. Maybe a chat bubble. A floating chat bubble where people can contact you either through text messages, or it goes straight to you, maybe a messenger on your phone or something like that. It's just another way to convert traffic, and the more ways that you have to convert traffic, the better it's going to be for you, right? So with this website, while it is a nice looking website, I would definitely recommend more content, and that's going to help you out. Because Google is going to crawl your website. They love content. So they're going to go through all of that content, and they're going to look for, information regarding your business. They're looking for, information that's going to tell them what you guys do, where it is you operate, the services you offer, all those kinds of things. And then you want to have keywords within that content. So when they find those keywords, it's going to tell them all that information. They're going to learn about you. It's going to help them determine, where they're going to place you within the search results. Also, having those keywords in that content is going to help you guys show up for more searches, because you will be more relevant to those keywords as people search for those keywords. And a keyword is going to be anything that somebody's going to put into Google when they search for a product or a service, right? So if we look at a search right here, the first thing you're going to see usually are ads. You'll see a bunch of ads. This just has one, and it's in the map pack. But so I'll touch on ads real quick. Ads are a great way to get in front of people. Ads allow you to target a specific audience, so you can get your business in front of the people that you think are more likely to go with your services. So you can definitely see some really good results from a well-placed ad campaign. So next you will see the Google Map Pack. This is the top three. These are, these guys get a good amount of business just from being in that top three as traffic comes through these searches, because they're at the top of the list. So that's your Google business profile. You want to get up into that top three. To get up in that top three, you want to get citations. To do that, you want to have your Google business profile optimized for SEO. You want to have it filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all of your business information. You want to have good pictures in there, get them geotagged, and then you want to put it into as many online directories as possible. These are going to give you citations. So an online directory is going to be anything like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List. There's hundreds of online directories that you can get into that'll give you citations. And basically the goal here is to have more citations than your competition that are showing up in this top three. So moving on down from that, we have the organic search results. Another place that you want to be at the top of. I'm going to take these guys right here, and we're going to look at a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it just tells me how a website is performing. It helps me draw out a plan on how I'm going to rank higher in Google and outrank competitors. So I have you guys run through here real quick. Not much going on for information wise. This UR and DR, two numbers that you want to pay attention to. That you want to get those numbers up as high as possible. UR being a trust rating, or how trustworthy your website is to Google. DR being a power rating, or how powerful your website is. To move those numbers up, you want to have a really good backlink profile. That's going to help boost those numbers. So you want to go out and you want to get good quality backlinks. So a backlink is going to be anything that's linking back to your site, coming from an outside source, from whether it be another website or a comment blog about concrete. The the important thing is, it's pointing back to your website. That's all, a backlink is. But to get quality backlinks, you want the websites that are linking back to you to be relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites, linking back to you. That's not going to do you any good. It's going to come across as spammy, and it could hurt you. It could affect your numbers negatively. It can affect your ability to show up in the rankings in Google. So you want to have those, relevant backlinks from, websites that have to do with your service industry. We can see you are being found for 3 organic keywords. So if we take a look at the other guys that were showing up at the top, that concrete craft, these guys, you can see the difference, right? Ton of backlinks, lots of referring domains because they're being found for a ton of keywords, all that. One way to do this is to go through their backlink profile, and you can see that backlinks that are working for them are most likely going to work for you as well. So you can definitely go out and get those same backlinks. Same with the keywords. You can go in and see what keywords that they're using, that they're being found for. It might help you out as well. But this is why I stress the importance of that 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Because that gives you a good amount of room to put in, some really nice buyer intent keywords. And that's going to help you show up more often on the search results, and it's going to drive more traffic to your website. It's going to get you more clients in the door. Your phone's going to be ringing more often because of it, because you're going to be showing up more as people search for those relevant keywords, right? Looking for your services. So that's all the information I have for you guys. I hope it was helpful. These are some tips that you can definitely implement yourselves and start seeing some good results from. You can, as always, feel free to reach out to us as well for more information. I will leave our contact info in this video as well as in the email I will send out to you. And that's all I got. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out this video. It helps us out a lot. We'd love to hear some feedback. And go ahead and have yourself a wonderful rest of the day.